In today's video, I am making Apple Cinnamon Roll Cobbler. This is 2 ingredients. It comes together fast. Give me 5 minutes. We'll have it in the oven and you will have a dessert ready in no time. Start out by using one of these cinnamon rolls. These are really nice to just bake by themselves, but the thought that we can add pie filling to it just kind of takes it over the top. So the first thing I'm going to do is take them all out of the package. I want to get that frosting put over to the side. That is the most delicious frosting that they put in these cinnamon rolls. I just love that stuff. I've loved it for a long time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these cinnamon rolls. I am going to cut these up into pieces. I am going to spray the dish just so everything doesn't stick. I am using an 8 by 8-inch dish to put this dessert into, and that seemed to work out just perfect for this. I'm going to dump everything in here. I'm going to go ahead and get my pie filling, get that open. And while I was opening this, I just was thinking I don't really want to dump that in there. It's going to mess up my spray. So I think I'm going to grab a bowl and just transfer everything over here to get it all mixed up. For my apple pie that I made on this channel, somebody left me a comment and said I should have cut the apples up. And I thought that was such a great idea, so I'm not going to make that mistake this time. I am going to run the knife through this and just give it a little bit of a chop. I think that works out better when you go to grab a slice. You don't get a great big chunk, you just get little pieces. It's so good. And now I'm just adding all the cinnamon rolls into the bowl. I'm going to give this a really good mix. I want the cinnamon rolls coated with the apple pie filling. And that looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and dump this into the bowl. And then I just want to spread that evenly all over this pan. And I want to take it up a notch by adding a little bit of cinnamon to the top. So this is really, I mean, this could be a 4 ingredient if you count the spray and the cinnamon. Are we counting those, or can I just count the apples and the cinnamon rolls? I think I can. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm just going to follow the directions on this can. It says 375, and I'm really just going to watch it until I think it's done, which ended up being about 30 minutes. Here's what it looked like when I put it in the oven, and now 30 minutes later, it is done. It is really warm. I'm going to sit it on this rack and I'm going to let it cool, and when it's cool I will come back. And once this is cool, I plan on just pouring this all over the top of it, but I would not want to do that now. Set that off to the side and I will be back. I did put this in the microwave for just a second. I wanted to be able to pour this on, and then once it hardens on top, that way it just kind of gets into all the grooves, and I just feel like that will taste so much better. Have frosting all over it. The best part about this dessert is it comes together so quick. I mean, it's no time at all and it can be in the oven. Look at this. This is delicious. You can have a quick dessert whenever you want it. I can't wait to try this. This looks delicious. It's nice when you have a dessert too that cuts this nice. That way when you take it to a party, it's easy to cut it into individual pieces. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.